Hi, I'm Dr. Pia Orleane, and I'm here to share with you some important information that comes from the cosmic realms. My husband, Cullen Baird Smith, and I have been together bringing forth the wisdom from the stars from our Pleiadian friends Laarkmaa for well over 2 decades. Now, it takes both Cullen and I both to be present in order for Laarkmaa's wisdom to come through. However, I do have many other voices that come through me, and they have been nudging me quite a bit lately to share their perspective with you to help you on your evolutionary journey. So I'm going to connect you today with some of the voices who are coming through, voices from the light, who are coming through, and I will be sharing them with you in a larger way in the future. You can join me in this video today, and you can join our cosmic guidance sessions that are upcoming in just a few weeks. Just a moment, and they will begin to speak. It's time to awaken, my children. I am Mother Mary, and it is time to awaken from your slumber. It is time to awaken, awaken, awaken. Life is too short to be silly. It is too dangerous to be immature. Play, laugh, but pay attention. It is important not to be blind. Awaken, awaken, awaken. I am Sarah. I am the daughter of Mary Magdalene and Jesus of Nazareth, and I come forth to help you understand, as my grandmother, Mother Mary, taught me, that all healing comes from within yourself, how you open your heart to love. I will be sharing with you more about the healing process, but as I know and can feel the pain each of you is experiencing, I want you to know that healing always comes from love. I am Sarah, daughter of Mary Magdalene and Jesus of Nazareth. Quantamo here. I am the fleet captain of the Arcturian fleet, the admiral, you might say. I am the one who is in charge of all of the Arcturian ships that are in your atmosphere surrounding your planet. We are here doing what we can to disseminate more positive energy than the negative effects you are experiencing from 5G satellites that orbit your planet. These satellites steal your oxygen and your life energy, and we are here supporting you as a life support until these satellites are disbanded. We work around the time that you are here, around the space that you are here, and we ask for your participation. And I will be speaking more about what you can do to participate in eliminating these harmful interferences in the space in which you live. Hello, I am Ormos, and I come from a solar system very distant from your solar system. I and my colleagues here are from very far away, but we come because we are interested in the evolutionary transformation which your species is making. I will be speaking to you about the necessity for your breaking old patterns and stepping into new ones on your evolutionary journey. This is an important step that you are making as a species, and I am here with my colleagues to help you understand how to break the patterns that no longer serve you and move into those which do serve you. I am Ormos, and I hope to talk with you soon. My name is Menominee. Menominee, Menominee. I am Lemurian. I come to help you understand that you carry Lemurian energy within you, and I'm here to help you learn how to expand so that you can recognize you are larger than who you believe yourself to be. You have shrunken into fear and shrunken into smallness rather than the largeness of who you are. I will be sharing steps on how you may recognize the truth of who you are, heal into being your true selves, and expand into your greatest potentials and possibilities. From the Lemurian kingdom, I wish you well. I am Menominee. I am Vollanda. I'm the V where all wisdom comes together. I'm here to talk to you about unity. I come from the Council of Light, which you perceive as the future, but I'm here to help you step into that future out of your now moment. I look forward to speaking with you very, very soon. Dr. Antonis here. I once was in physical form as a healer, a physician, you would say, in the human realms, but now I work with cosmic healing from other planes. I'm here to tell you, alert you, warn you that the reality you think is real is about to shatter. That shattering is necessary to break the illusion under which you have been captured under a spell of beliefs that do not serve you, nor are they part of the greater reality. I will be joining the Voices from the Light in the upcoming Cosmic Wisdom sessions, along with my Lemurian wife, Moira, who is actually a mermaid, long carrying Lemurian healing traditions and sound healing in her mermaidian tones that she will share with the Voices from the Light. I am Dr. Antonis. I look forward to your questions and being with you very soon. Fear not, fear not. I am Mary Magdalene, and I come to tell you you have nothing to fear. This is the time you have been waiting for. This is the moment where you approach the possibility to fulfill your purpose and achieve your mission. You are here as a divine spark of light, and I am here to offer you courage and guidance as you step into the transformational process. I will be participating with the Voices from the Light cosmic guidance sessions, as will my beloved colleagues and family, Laarkmaa, who will be sharing their Pleiadian wisdom also as a final installation overview of everything we, the Voices from the Light, have brought forward for you during the cosmic guidance sessions. Join us, be one in energy, be one in love. Fear not. I am Mary Magdalene. These, my friends, are some of the voices from the light that come to speak through me and call me the receiver. We all have abilities to receive cosmic wisdom, but right now, for some reason, they're coming especially through me, and I wish to share that with you. Please join me in the Voices from the Light's Cosmic Wisdom Guidance Sessions. Information for how to join is listed below.